pacho wo me pacho na ka say di say wo ye bibia na nipa e ka bebira e kire say wan ka say twa wani hwe wati say ade aye no wan ye ni ye if you say a chop papa yo book to dwe ode ne nsa to ne nsem ni ade e tache me real boy me ye sure say enu papa ba enya ade obeye sa ade na oye ye ni den ebio.
Okay, inti ususu say eye mpanimfo so nye chopa no entum.
Oh, me chopa na entum be no nche say won fa on the born nche no.
Okay.
Like ade oye ye no mun jai say kokko tre exams.
Okay.
Yeah, because
So much change age. Muniaba ekwesi kapane nenso minimo edi esheka no wahala dwumedi enamani eguso a moshina ebusuafo mo beka ya video bi eko viral e wo social media ibehunu se eye secondary college yenuanom abranti bi atese wo ye video edi mampanyi atem ekeka de ense emfata ede ekire no oyuso all those words atese empanifo binum kwa no ebesuro ana wo mbefere se wo mo ebe yuzo eneden eye abrantie no woni neja wo makwa akopa acho na wie na abrantie na nkasa single no house enso e de chopa ababeto eye Ghana fo nyina animu a wosusu se ye hu ne mobo na yemfa eye ne mfonso emfa enche no wonim de eba no so enu nti ema no eye sam na asempani fo besum se wo mo enso ni nyina no yaso eda fom na ebiemu enso so no eye GS are suspended na o ma dismiss eye enkwada bi nso so e de a free school 14 students na eye senior prefect nso so no wo mo adesimiso wo mo atese ensohwe kra no sese ye gya wo mo se ye ma wo mo entwobe ni nyina ye basabasa ya ekọ so e wo wasi ensohwe nansen ye tete ye no emu na abusua ensa no emu nchemu e wo ho metwam ho me ba me de baba besom
akofado awe Sanchez maximum akofado
Yebesi
o play fero
elu ko form dey
pasia also final year o pasia final year bele me ma so asembele ji o so nye to
Chegana funa na ya safu na me ya mabase but me for the opportunity na mo po bi a chaw na video me ma yin yi gra mi ma do ba mo ko ma me the video the second for from one cham Mr. President, His Excellency Arako Fado, down from one cham, Mr. School Authorities, down from one cham, Minister of Education, Regional Minister, Mr. Robi video affecting them, Mr. Robi down from one cham. My yen Mijimu to Mijimu from Lutum, my yen Mr. Bonfetche, Mr. Ghana Funa, Mamia, Mr. from one cham, one CPO, video me, one CPO, on family. When you first never last, second of all, to your point, from now on, I can so don't make your pigeon food to the
for me sanso emamo akwaba sunku ebie mu ho eye ema ho fefo motiminsa enifa so na ye Miss Elizabeth enanana ama owusu a Miss Elizabeth ma akwaba
yeah sika
bidia nyame adome ho ye na wonse
oh yeah
anama
yeah
mpombo kodie
weti asia mini problem oh
yo abusia for yeah video bi call viral na senteme na me social kwada yi church say akwada baakum di mampanyi atem ensem bebre ne ba fa ho we se yentwena so we se yembo no we se yenye ni sei ema ebinum kra de bebetu dwa say awofo no ena emra ememe pacho ne dey ye de abeto edwa sa akwada no akwakwa akopacho ema ne papa nso so eka ne ehun na ne chopa na opaye no wo hwa wanya nuhu sede ye kasa obi pacho so nya nuhu wani mu no wanya nuhu sede ye hwehwe no Miss Lizette me the free so.
Sika me that say. Me chia too much age for a share na ye damase. Bibi amunko so nhwe yesa. Sika let me say asem no we bisa say wenye no ho no. Say me share video no nanka me rehoye e ma no. Na bia me mom bia nka mesu.
Okay.
Menka so nya ni wo ba me hwe no no. Se me na me yesa de ne na me bu nkotodwe. Wa he kranka me di miti me ti me nkasa mesu sa se menu besu obi ane se nyu.
Asa wo do your ba. Oh no,
yeah, be mo ya kola. I think say you go no wo farm stuff but still opa chonti no. Me ya sure say fiti ase ni de we e call say omo mepa cho na e ka say de say wo ye bibia na nipa e ka bebira. E kire say wan kasa twa wani hwe wati say ade aye no. Wan ye ni ye. If you say a chop pa yo book to dwe ode ne nsa to ne nsem ni ade e tache me real boy me ye sure say inu ho papa ba enya ade obeye sa ade na oye ye ni den ebio.
Okay, inti ususu say eye mpanimfo so nye chopa no entum.
Oh me chopa na entum be no nche say won fa ne bon nche no.
Okay.
Like ade oye ye no omun jai say kokotre exams here because kola bebre hu eti inti no ade na onwo ye ne say ye twe na so on tre exams biom no fi school mu won e de ye a chopa no metimi age no nche say ye nja no no nsan ko school won konko ye sade.
Anama on sabrant and chopa ne say na hu no fa.
Na egia unu hu say hey a whole president of Ghana 30 million people Penny power die no now to make a friend hair
Kufuado.
Now what already ni mouth we just to try sanity to the nim no e chop no patch no we dey hear ni nim no e dey patch no say nim na o dey kasa no nim no dey patch we kuku ewia dey say we kuku Ghana addition ni aso no kon so no dey patch because asem aka ne modu no the way we nu no me hu say we nu ho na it's as I say onu no so because that's all kind no it will have a big impact on his life. I'm telling you, the certain story be affected. The kind ko our babu be affected. We don't know. People are bound to make mistakes, and when you make a mistake and you realize that you have made a mistake, no, as I say, correct mistake by yes, but then no, there's always repercussions.
Okay.
We mistake no, they be other you meet it somewhere that you have to know say this challenge dear if you baby if you free and until those we no ho our pacho say na enia ba e kan good so who say wa form no pacho but still now the punishment must come.
Okay.
He must learn the lesson.
Okay.
And it must serve as a lesson to others also because no kwa no akofete ebi mu so wa hwekwa ye hu video supodi the video man waka kra o mhye suma san kofo ate crampo no you don't know about it omu ni say na nyema akọ e wona babum tese na sometimes no so we bom so no so ta akom na e ba no so man yes side man e bom so no mbekasa o mema akom na tete efu menu so at once eye pa amefaso e na eye so abekpa achom.
Okay. Miss Elizabeth, yeah, and so you see ya buy a branch and on any papa cocopa a chow every year no. Yeah, presenter be on also so I take it to the Facebook page or when they say a thing called a peer pressure and a man sa and your man all the time kwada be bibi obi be bibi na say bia he or she is in the midst of people na ye classify and a peer pressure bibia na one more around you e push you ya na say ya na bi wo hon ma nipa na esi na adwen pi say wo be ye and oyeye
am sikan say wo hwe the way a school for near the peer pressure no wo ho be eno nkyere say wo ye ade andwen ade a wo ye ne ho say wo kra phone na wo twa bibi e bia wo na wo twa Crofo su crafun na echa na wo cancel. See a phone zi be touch screen. Wo ye mistake kakra bi na ekọ bi wo so won aye connections be bra bi kakra ba ye bi ana ekoda da. Enti na wo see ye careful na bibi san ye dan kwa ankopa. Obi fi say peer pressure. na nti wo andwen ya hu se asem na America na emu odu obi wo ho anafofo mo nka se kwase ana bi because office asem we dey me fa ma no nka o ti ase nti se etise cross side we dey me fa se wa ka kire mo se ade bi wo ho ameye nti even if wo mu na mu ye dede ana mu shi jama ana mu ye we kra because oh me nko this far but so wo ma peer pressure and ye did be abeto amane because once we ye peer no woni wo peer fo ana ebehia nti eni se o ma ho kwan na ebibisa ye den etowa afede obekọ akoto amane ye musa
nana ma
ikembe se membra
mama wa bre no emu na me no amu na me de wo kọ o kata no osa echemu esebo ho no mebia na akwada no efie ntete ye ya ntete ne sa but because of enamfofo enti enema ne misbehave adamfo timi ma wo misbehave to the extent that wutimi ja wa adwen na ntete ya kire wo no wo fie ne to ho.
Oh, adamfo there when you realize say oh yeah adamfo ye bibi na obi ehun from so ho na say obi anka say enti na say onya punishment bia won you always say
a good thing
it's okay because senka odi attitude be bad point na people spoke about it na ohun say attitude no dey bad but you can enko yie mana nobody will adopt something na onya benefit be enfim enti obi here no shed the way ankofo esom esifa som ni say ankofo ofo aso we dey we g o we dey we guy o onu so person onu so feel that acceptance dey be obi anu one per acceptance and I say attention enti say on na that for na eye and ono nya and I'm speaking oh say ankofo ye guy na boy way I don't blame him and I mean who ewo adamfo aspect ni a national seed that ya story ewo o my Ghana mu
Samu
wo so radio stations and opana wutie and opa wo be adwuma wo pete say wonti asempa bia na say wonti the air cost wo my ma wo so radio and sama efi enkofo ya kasa ye yu om say mundi enkan wo man mu nhemra mo moa o man na man koso embem no wuti kasa efi wo manum eba pontina well it is you can just imagine what's your morning radio shows programmer NDC LPP me a format no mo kasa I see the masoi and see the say no go for filter a normal thing say woni openi bi enya adria you can come out and insult him because that is what is going on a trend and a bibi ebejet intimaya na efi baby efi okay se mo soro and mu ni say normal say metima ya mu openi kra na akole bi young man bi no aba no oka no asem no oka like distasteful words asem kra say kan pie finipa no ewo on air no oka chena what do you expect me the listener and I say nkole bi so afi na train mo aba system no what do you expect them to do okay asem be say once go for baba but some can say but they are the same people so na you from a radio station and the way they address themselves no crampo no utie crampo you ask yourself do they have the education only is can him before be crying oh body akese but when you hear the words that comes out of their mouth you be sound say eh no mo ko ma ko school aje master's degree PhD akese di ain't me mono head wo mo ye what about those who are coming on so after no mo SS we SS new say the fear the kind for and it is sometimes they have for no per se okay the air cost wo man mu no the trend and for adopting the way and for kasa the way and for social media okay no be who ask me to be shefty words are ebeto da and nobody is held on obi an kro biemu eto obi about me can some phone kwa na okọ social media ya reho obi asem cramp no onim na fiti ase onim ne bia onim asem no bia de ate no keke no one line heading bin or heading na no aka ne boso sema go yes it's freedom of speech but master emra etale freedom of speech won say sometimes a work asa na ebro
you have your limits
ebro and I say edidi ko be right mu a ho no na say emra ni ko baga na emra no na mu na emra no say emra sem emra na kasa asem yes you omrenim for you omo kuma mra no so mra na dey bia ye funga na ha
okay
oh
Miss Elizabeth say you near Beme or my own say peer pressure. Say peer pressure in Ama and a day. Or exams you won't mean.
Well, then you have peer pressure, leader pressure, leaders pressure, and peer.
Okay, they say the leaders pressure.
Other people pressure.
I want them map here.
Oh, no, they ma Kualan.
Say GS and so to Omuna ideas, and some so as say schools Makuma form. Secondary college in a boa could the SHS, Batha SHS and a jobbing SHS. Yeah, this may say a young quadra 14. A move 14, who's a school prefect be a woman who do free a year chinaba. Decision a year GS, one more ateki, a year right, not a beboa.
You're right, a beboa. Me sure said, omo emuran ubuso asakola bia wo school no mo use.
Okay.
Enye so omo kofa fi baby a because ntini kofa amra bi eni wo aba be she. Etinim kwan so ano because obi kra be sini aka say enye mra na wo ye me basa because kola no do so she enti ye mra e wo say akola wo ye say etime do fa so enti no mo de wo ma ye den afa so na ene kwan so. If say say yan omo yes Ebeye kakra na me say teacher ni trying to me in classroom in chira kolade.
Very true.
Beti me story aka cho say fi classroom ako.
Bet me abokra.
So one abubi. Onwa abo ni oba be hwa wo try exam say no ne wo dachi na. Na wo teacher na wo ye hwana. So sense ade ade de ne kwan so ano wa ye no.
Nana man, so then I bet me akafa ho.
Oh. Eki amika mi nya ekra nka won fa bi nka ho.
Na wo ni say omo aputin kwada no dachin at risk.
Omo no dachin at risk. Mami. SS nyo mo share SS asi wo Ghana ha o. Ye ko SS dibi. Eki ye badge kwa metra ka say ye badge kwa mi ye stop on classing. We mo maba no.
Okay.
Ye ni so o she classroom but masa mami fa me am SS am ko any example. Me house mistress Babi. I agree me from Mama akwaba. Hey. Yeah, house mistress, senior house mistress Babi. Ne won kitten slim woman. Student giant ain't mean that Babi anymore ain't or that Babi around. Mama no. Ne won kitten on so oba na huna. Wo ye 20 grams said they will be done. Usuro. There were some sort of fears be oma inducing the students at all school. Some laws be, some regulations be on school. So like even we seniors crap, or time we go school, we seniors crap check you. And then we go school, obia seniors, obia seniorship in obium. First we go school, obia the 15 years crap now obeton, who the 70 years now beton school one ma, obetima or that around.
Sure.
Obetima show, and all those kind of things, you know, it kind of molded us. Then maybe we hear crowd, who slow, who ferry, and then videos. Phones, and you say you go school, you should be. Yeah, you so phones I can say school, maybe time na BlackBerry na baso. Every time near the BlackBerry go school. Now so video no crown phone no be use ahomachi. Ahomachi na we use. Now we use as a pegari with their share. Then phones no to the ball life crowd school. I said I'm surprised. There were laws for school who are guiding students are putting some kind of thing. Oh yes, stop on the cry. Wow, Joe shit here. No more to stop on because I be say you ban no much short wall class or desk the belt in one no I stay now. You paint the whole school. Such a law. Who so be that's to crap out pen to crowd the chale one who crapper. Because of rules and regulations set that school now no nti. Usro.
Okay.
And seriously we're implementing the rules. So who making mistake? Now who throw one. You will buy paint for the whole school. And with the punishment way, and you're the best. You're ban new. You're dismissal now to fear. Now go for air course will make our normal chance here. No more conquer, no more universities, no more accreditation. Dear, because I would fear. Now we try with this with cheap. Now rest to buy out done dear my power. What dream? Because aha. And until next time, also war back. No school as no university. And that's what questions I'll be with foot to her. What about you?
Okay.
Okay. See a drum say, Obi so ya next time, Obi or did I dream back to home? Yeah, but more class, more bigger punishment because of the disrespect. Woman done it was one. How can you attack your teacher? Hey, who teacher should set them crowd no lecture material. And no see you should respect the one that is leading you. No normal Nyanse be what Brandy. What gave you that
right.
What's nonsense?
No,
what impudence? What was it for?
We dey me to the amamu nyina mo obi a chena den say the GES no kwan so ano is putting the children in order. Na adenti unhuni say na like these rules and regulation no anka I was say enwo hoda da eni kwan so obi inform ansana ya hwe say ye bibi e de esi ano kwan because enkwada no it could be say edikanfo no eye bibi ebia wo mo de no amba social media so said the wo mo de na ban but they didn't see any kind of punishment bia ye dey ema wo mo of that sort enunti na ema mo so yes enti wu ne say nanka was said these rules and regulations as they say ye dey ema wo mo nanka was say enye strict ewo schools mu ansa and I say like na ehu hia say yes all the time bibi nsi ansa na take measures.
Sikam say schools they bring my year juma was school kakra but normally rules no bar prospectus.
Yeah.
But what happened is say be was so what territory school mo.
Okay.
Because after your fa we am crofo be ja on the on fan ko no won kan. And I feel so was say wo mo at say ne ye asan ye timi bobo rules no biom and sure won no mo say and yes, Jayo, still I'm rano or 2 year BB, I know I careful. And I once young was to say exams time in your must say bano, and was say a bedua, yet the one cast no who say like exams more practices in your maybe or while by ya, and so transfer baby.
Okay.
Like in Colea, do your ye. Oh, a BSc pen.
Sure.
Baby, I'm baptized and I want yet your man penny and I by a year one day. A beer, a more strong exam. Maybe I'm not and yet a CSC.
Okay.
But Sadia Nesha. Now, one bomb by ya. A new baba yakes, no, na ye. It's in a yes or more fast ideas now one I hear chum money the chum. You see, there is always Obia using the hand. Oh, way mona. Enya won waye de sha se betre nkwala foforo ne se so ko tre exam na fi se wo na wa ahode ana wo mu ade wo fie na se wo de be ba school de ene na ne eto wo ye bia so be de ebeto.
Okay. No.
Ekia ye tu mo ne funu ye tu eja mo asofo awofo na kase mu so en check wo mo ma na nsere wa ko school.
Okay.
Ekia ene bibia ye liberal obia so to bibia jeje mu bibia anko bibia ma obia so we cha bibia se na site masa na wo fitie kra no fucho ma media ma wo no answer wo ko bi school me kra e ademu e whole set of commandments ye ko no eno odan fu ndidi o shoto ni obi nche e ma sa rusin ni anse ni ye ko school
because I say anya dey so free fear e bi bebro
o ko ya so den a emefia de me de be ye wo no ye kan ni a che wo fie and who go school no say rules where mak ona unim the kind of parents that you have who are law abiding and mra mama session no mu this wa who be school now be who be a mistake bi wa adwen yourself from mra who kai now the fifie ba ye now the toto the who be na school one ma wa o tran be say who be home school because me ni anfa na we ye pam no omu ko fie ne pam fie a efifie a enko omu bobra o mani bete.
Okay.
Enunti awofo no so sesi ano awofo mi ni say 21st century na I hypnotize omo and I said dey na ekoso awofo no because sesi ano ye nkwala no teenagers mo ba no sesi ahun ye say ye train omo na ye re omo baby maybe a former or center bi a ye re teenagers and ye omo the same way because obi a follow the same trend. Enunti awofo no nsa and coming back onto themselves.
Now the final words they come.
Me the final was they back home. Omo coming back onto themselves. Omo started them where they are falling. Omo some page omo because enkulane say I can who say that na na esen.
Okay.
Maybe when that oba bi so say oba be nia e very papa bi ahwa ma wo say tutu. Abesie wu. Wan hwe a na wo peni na wo tete no no kra be we agya mo asa bo ka ama wa sie na ma wo kra wo kra bo do be sie wu. Enunti parents, yen share won so biem, yen started biem. Let's be straight with our children. Straight no, and yes said chinchina wo chichire no kon yem na be chichire ne san da bi. There is a way to raise up your child in a way that he should go, that when he grows, he will not depart from it. Yen going back to that laws no. The yen making laws no implemented in the household. Okay. So that we go school. because in kola bebre ne ko school, you we mun kwa ne ko school.
Sure.
In kola bi ko eba, until you put that laws in place now. Parents you mu de na teachers no so you mu de wo school na. We will not have these issues going on around. Maybe a small be bad not kakre do mo do mu fifia mu de ye there o mu fifia no. Ebe least number be.
Okay.
But the rate at which are growing no. Parents to step up in their parenting way.
Miss Elizabeth, for final words to your message for natural for.
I'm saying, yeah, my kakra ne said, so there be uncle and more ya dear, Mujin said, you ye na ye. I wish I dear ye by ye, I can't, oh papa, I can't want mammy, I can't uncola binum sway be a we de there a try ye call ye. What was see, I mean, sure, say, we know who are dear, I could swim. Nti ya fanye sua de ma ye ho ye kwa akotro nsɔhwe bia na ye wa adwuma na ade bi wo na ye koso na enya na ya twe ye ho aye den efi ho na esi ye
Yo medamo ase ebusuafo ha ene edi nkomodidie no ebesi agintwe bi a wo fabra e wo tuma GH comment section like your videos na share ebi muso betimi follow yen e wo ye IGP atuma GH_ me amede dwumade ho chia me midin ene ekwesi kapa nana ama owuso ane Miss Elizabeth ene ne omoye me guest tasene yebesane shia makram.